Hello kids, today we learn about digestive system. So what is the digestive system? What do you all think? How you will get energy? Yes, we'll get energy while we have our food, while we eat our food, right? So today we'll see how our body gets energy, right? But before that, we'll try to understand what is human body and how it's made. So as we all know, in human body, cells, these are the smallest things in our body. When many cells combine together, it's form tissues. And when many tissues come closer, they form organs. Like you can see on a screen, it's a heart. Like same way, when many organs combine together, it form one system in our body. So like that way, in our body, many systems are there, right? And for that system, many organs are there. Like you can see here now, systems in our body. So here in front of you right now, we have six systems, right? First one is a circulatory system. Second one is a nervous system. Third one is a respiratory, then digestive, then skeletal, then muscular. These all systems have their own work. Everyone they have their task to finish in our body. Right, so like circulatory system, they mostly circulate the blood from one part to another. Nervous system, it gives message, reply that message, send that message to different parts of our organs. Respiratory system, that is for breathing, like inhalation, exhalation. That is like because of respiratory system, we are getting our body gets oxygen. And digestive system, yes, digestion of food, it's done by digestive system. Skeletal system, yes, skeleton also very important inside our body, because skeleton nothing but it gives shapes to your body, right? And muscular system, because of muscular system we can hold anything, we can move, we can run, we can walk. So lots of work we can do with the help of our muscular system. Now, so but today we'll focus only in digestive system. So, what is the digestion? The process by which food is broken down into a simpler form so that it can be taken in or absorbed by our body is called digestion. Right? For digestive system, there are 5 to 6 organs are there. Right in front of you can see so many organs are there, but basically there are 7 organs. Those who are helping as a team and they are digesting our food. Like, for example, the digestion begins with the mouth, then food pipe, then liver, then pancreas, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. So, like that way, we have one team. In that team, they got one task to digest our food and just change that food into a different types of nutrients. That what's actual our body requires. It's not they don't need as a whole that food, right? So now first we'll see mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth. The teeth help to break down and chew food, right? As you all know, in our mouth there are different types of teeth also there. They also have a different task like incisors, we have canines, we have premolars, we have molars. So like different types of teeth, they also have a different task. So while you eat something that time, while you bite something, as soon as you keep something on your tongue, so from your salivary gland, that saliva mixed with your food and they changes into very soft ball that is known as a bolus. That's what we require, right? Or else how it's going to pass to your food pipe. After that, when it become very soft ball like bolus, that thing will numb, and your tongue also helps to move that swallow your food or moves down into the food pipe, or you can say esophagus also. Now esophagus or food pipe, it works like postman. They take food, it just take the food from the mouth and send into the stomach. Now, finally, most important things, that is digestion happens in your stomach. Do you know why? Why? Because in you will see in your stomach there is a one juices. There is a name of that juice is gastric juice. Okay, there are chances also there while you have your food, while you open your mouth, that time bacteria may be entering your body, right? With the help of food. So here in this place, that stomach, in stomach, one acid is there. The name of that acid is hydrochloric acid. They destroys that bacteria, and they grind, they churn your food. It's like mixer grinder. and again they are changing into very small particles, right? So that gastric juice also, you can say it's a digestive juices in a common word. After that, what will happen? Now it's a time to pass your food into the small intestine. But wait. Before that, while your food pass from the stomach to the small intestine, there you can see, here you can see in front of you liver and pancreas, right? What is the help? Why they are there in this system? Because food is deadly, it will not pass to the liver and pancreatic system. But yes, they also help. How they help? So they also secrete some kind of juices, like liver produce bile juice and pancreas produce pancreatic juice. So like that way, it also mixes with your food and changes into a very small particles. After that, your food enters to the small intestine. So here is this the place, this is the final destination where your food digested and changes into a different types of nutrients. And here this is the place where your blood absorb these all different types of nutrients. So you can see in front of you intestinal villi. Okay, so intestinal villi is nothing but it's like a finger projection. You can see your finger like that, where finger projection is there, and inside of that you will find that blood vessels are there. So in a small intestine, inner side of the small intestine, you will find this type of villi, and that villi finally absorbs nutrients into the blood, and through via from here that blood pass to throughout of your body, and you will get different types of nutrients, and it pass your different organs, right? After that, what happened to the undigested food? Because it might chances is that undigested food also there. So that undigested food, now small intestine sending or pushing towards the large intestine, right? And large intestine, you can see it's wider compared to the small intestine. Although small intestine's length is 7 meter long and large intestine's length is just 1.5 meters, but because this large intestine is wider compared to the small intestine, this is known as a large intestine, and that one is a small intestine. Now what happened? In large intestine, again water absorb, and whichever rest of things are there, undigested food things are there, they store and they send to the one more next part, that is rectum. So rectum is the final part of the large intestine, and that feces, you can say in a stool also or poop, that remove from your body through the anus. So like that way, digestive systems, they have this task, like in a whole day, whenever you have your food, whenever you eat your food, to digest your food and to change into a different types of nutrients. So like that way your body gets the different types of nutrients. So it's like that way digestion work done. Thank you for watching this video. Bye, take care.